Hello, welcome to another of my videos where I work through and explain A-level Physics multi-choice questions. If you want to try this question yourself, pause the video now. If you got the answer D, congratulations, give yourself a pat on the back. If you'd like to see my explanation of how I found the answer, please continue watching. Three coplanar forces, F1, F2 and F3 act on a single point. Which combination of forces can never produce a resultant force of zero? Well, if you can have a resultant force of zero, if you take any three forces, oh dear, it's supposed to be vertically up, call that force 1, and there's force 2, and there's force 3. If I take those three force vectors, if they're drawn to scale, then if I place those vectors end to end, if I draw it accurately, they would produce a triangle. If they produce a triangle, then the resultant force is 0. So with this question, what we need to do is we need to look at force 1, force 2, and force 3 and just see if it's possible for us to be able to produce a triangle with them. 3, 4, 5. Well, 3, 4, 5 is a very famous right angle triangle with the hypotenuse 5. That would be a 4, and that would be a 3. So A is possible. 8, 8, 8. Well, obviously, if three sides are the same, I would produce a nice equilateral triangle. So that is possible. 2, 10, 10. We would produce a triangle with two very long sides, 8 and 8, 2. So that is possible. D is not possible. Let's have a think about D. Let's put the 3 there, and let's put the 6 almost in the same direction. Even if I did put it in the same direction, my 10 would always go beyond the end. It is not possible to produce a triangle with the sides 3, 6 and 10. So D is not possible. If you found this useful, please like and leave a comment below, and I hope you'll watch more of these in my series. Thank you.